Hi everyone. Say hello, Emily. I am just wanted to say that we are going to go live next Friday. We just needed to find a solution for the technology, but it will be alive next Friday at 10 a.m. UTC. For now, this morning, I wanted to talk about a very common mistake that even native English speakers make. And that mistake is between your and your. And I'm going to write above this video the difference in how you write those two mistakes. They are very common. I see English people all the time writing the wrong one. So I want you, as an incredible student of Intrepid English, to always get it correct. So I will write the explanation next to this video, and I hope to see you live next Friday. Bye.